TSSA test procedure number test 4. Test 4 is to verify that the relays that pick the emergency brake on a gearless system with like a disc brake and an emergency brake on it, the relays that control that have not welded in. In order to do that, what we're going to want to do is hit the mode button a couple of times, go to elevator status so that we can go to the status mode and watch what's going on. So now we want to weld in the relays. The way we do that is if we come back down over here, if you'll notice, this is the main brake board, and right over here is the emergency brake board. Now that emergency brake board could be mounted just to the right of the main brake board or on the side. This case it is on the side, and so what we're going to do is reach right underneath the BRK relay on the emergency brake board. We're going to throw the switch to the test position. Once it's in the test position, we're going to register a car call. And we're going to go back to the screen so you can see what's going on. Now if you'll notice, when we registered the car call, we got a P input off fault. It's going to go through that test procedure 3 times. After the 3rd time, you can see we got an at-floor shutdown with an I/O error. In order to get the car back onto normal operation, we're going to reach back down over to that switch underneath the BRK relay and put it back to the run position. After we put it to the run position, we're going to reach back up here to the top and put it on inspection and off inspection. And we will then reset that fault, and when we see that the display says that we're waiting assignment, we're back on full automatic. Now we also need to test the second relay on the emergency brake, which is the run relay, back on that emergency brake board. So we're going to go back over to there. Underneath the run relay, we are going to physically put the test switch to the test position. Once we are in the test position, we are going to try to register a call. We'll come back up here to the screen so you can see. Notice that we get a P input off fault. Again, it's going to go through its 3 cycles, and then when it's completed the test, you'll see that it's at-floor shutdown with an I/O error. We're going to try to register a call. It's not going to go anywhere because it's out of floor with a shutdown. So from there, to get it back onto normal operation, again we take and reach back down here and put the switch to the normal position. Once it's in the normal position, we reach up and put it on inspection and off inspection. And when it comes back to waiting assignment mode on the screen, you're back into operation. That completes test number 4 of the TSSA test procedure.